yo yo,
hey,
yo yo,
hey,
yo yo,
hey,
yo yo,
hey,
ah hey,
ah, hey,
ah hey,
ah, hey,
ah hey,
ah, hey,
ah hey,
ah, hey,
way yeah,
way, yeah,
way yeah,
way, yeah,
way yeah,
way, yeah,
highway,
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 ah
ah,
ah ah
ah,
ah
ah,
woo wee. Yahweh ho yeah,
ya, ha, way, ha,
Yahweh ho yeah,
ya, 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 way, ha,
Yahweh ho yeah,
way, ha.
Yahweh.
In 1775, when the troubles broke out between our father and the Americans, we joined the British and left our country. Having been worsted by the Americans, the different tribes of the Mohawks went to different parts of the country, some to Montreal, some to Niagara. I do not wish to detain you too long, but wish to come to the point. Our great father thought of sufficient quantity of blood had been spilt and therefore made peace with the Americans. When peace was made, we were told we were to go to Nova Scotia. But not liking that situation, we went to General Haldeman on the 27th May, 1783, who told us if we did not like Nova Scotia, we might go to any of the unsettled lands in this country. We therefore came to this spot, where we are now. We returned to Quebec and informed General Haldeman. We had found this place and he expressed his satisfaction that we had found a place that suited us and that we and the Loyalists who would be among us would live happily together. General Haldeman also said he would send a surveyor to run out the lands for us, and we might know what was ours, and he sent Major Holland with us for that purpose. And the general added, "You have now your choice in picking out such lands as you like," and he hoped we would always live happily and comfortable upon it. The tribe now here fixed on this place, and another tribe fixed on the Grand River. Colonel Claus wished to know what Indians were going to the Bay of Quinte and what to the Grand River. I told him I meant to set myself down at the Bay of Quinte, among the Loyalists, and Captain Brant at the Grand River.
Yo yo,
Hey,
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 ah hey,
ah, hey,
ah hey,
ah, hey,
ah hey,
ah, hey,
ah hey,
ah, hey,
way yeah,
way, yeah,
way yeah,
way, yeah,
way yeah,
way, yeah,
highway,
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 highway,